Hello and welcome to DBMS tutorial. Today we will discuss about join. What is join in DBMS? Whenever we require to fetch data from multiple tables, we use join. If you want output using different tables using a common column, then we use a join. So we will discuss about join in this lecture. Joins actually are different types that are first discussed about types of join. Types of join. Then types of joins are generally inner join, inner join, outer join, third Cartesian join, and fourth is self join. Inner joins are of two types, that are equi join and inequi join. That is also called natural join. Natural join, why we call it as a natural join? Because it output are data which are naturally meshed, only the meshed data. It does not give the output of unmeshed data. Rest can give meshed data and unmeshed data also, but natural join gives only the meshed data of two tables. So it is called also a natural join. Equi join and inequi join. It will give the output from two tables that are not meshed. So it is called inequi join. That is inverse of equi join. Outer join has two types, that is half outer join and full outer join. Half outer join and second is full outer join. So half outer join means it gives meshed data of all the data from one table but not from another table. If I give all the data from left hand side table, then it is called left outer join. If I give all the data, means meshed data as well as unmeshed data from right table, that is called right outer join. So half outer join can classified in two types, that is left outer join that is denoted by and right outer join that is denoted by, and full outer join it will give meshed data from two tables and unmeshed data from both the tables, that is called full outer join, and symbol is full outer join is also called as Cartesian join. So we can call it full outer join as a Cartesian join. Self join, if you want to output the data from same table using same table, then it is called self outer join. We are getting the output from same table, only one table we are getting output, then it is called self join. We make alias of same table in two types, make two aliases and mesh data from both aliases, that is called self join.